Hey folks, a mild evening across the valley. Your temperature still holding at 81 in Rio Grande City while everybody else is cooled into the 70s. Oh, look at that. Weslaco's 82 too. It was actually cooler. It's gone up a couple degrees. 77 in Port Isabel, 76 in Brownsville. The dew points, they're slowly going up. Brownsville now hitting 70. Dew point wise, Rio Grande City still at 59. So the average is somewhere in the middle, but we're all working our way up into the muggy range right now. And it just continues to slowly ooze upward. You can feel the moisture coming in. A little more today than yesterday, a little more tomorrow than today. Overnight lows tonight, we'll have trouble getting below 70 in most locations, and then tomorrow we're back in the 90s across a lot of the valley again from about Harlingen to Raymondville on westward. If you're closer to the coast, you'll be a little cooler. Brownsville's 88, South Padre Island at 84. The normal high for this time of year is 89 degrees. That's a 30-year average, and we should be above that, 91, 92, 93 as we head into the Mother's Day weekend. Mother's Day, the warmest of the bunch at 93. Satellite looks like a blank map because there's not much out there to even pick up on the satellite. Just a few patchy clouds, and there'll be a few more overnight tonight. Low clouds show up, but they'll burn off quickly. We'll end up with mostly sunny skies again tomorrow. Another very nice day across the area, just again a little more humid. Go forward to Saturday, same kind of thing. Some morning clouds, some afternoon sunshine. Looks like another very nice day, but it looks like another rain-free day. I think the whole weekend is rain-free. In fact, most of next week at this point looks rain-free as well. Dry, 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 and dry beyond that. Here's a look at Texas, and when you see a clear map like this, you know there must be one of these guys, a big ridge in the upper atmosphere sitting way up high above the ground, and that kind of keeps all the clouds away and keeps us, for the most part, dry and really pretty warm. And that high, if anything, is going to settle closer to us over the next day or so. This is in the upper atmosphere, but that, again, kind of stabilizes the atmosphere, keeps the rain chances away, warms temperatures up just a little bit, and that high doesn't do much moving as we go into and through the weekend. It's kind of hanging out almost right on top of us, and that means a very warm weekend and doesn't change much into early next week either. Big southwest flow aloft to bring moisture to other parts of the country, but it's going to kind of leave us out of the mix. So it looks like we will be dry, 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 and warm, warm, warm through at least the next several days, probably through the 7-day forecast period, maybe beyond that as well. We're kind of looking out 10 days earlier. Still don't see much even through next weekend, so count on warm and dry weather lasting for a while. At the coast, winds out of the southeast, about 15 to 20. There's a moderate chop. Your high temperature at the island tomorrow, about 84. That's what it was today. Just a low risk of rip currents. There are 3 tides starting just after midnight, then one at 6:25 in the morning, and a high during the lunch hour tomorrow. Seas running about 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, partly cloudy, mild, but a little more muggy than the last couple of nights. A low of 69 degrees, winds out of the southeast 5 to 15. Then tomorrow, back up to 91. Plenty of sunshine. It's a breezy day. It's a warm day. That breeze out of the southeast 15 to 25 during the afternoon. Here we go. The next 7 days, we warm it up to 93 by Mother's Day, and then we kind of hold there into Monday, and then next week we kind of toy around with the numbers a little, but not much. We hold them close to that 92, 93 mark. Nighttime lows climbing into the mid-70s. That's a sign humidity is working its way back in, but bottom line is this is a dry forecast all the way through the end of next week. One of the models kind of hints at something middle of the week, a real slight chance. Not going to put it in there until we see a better chance of it. When it's dry, just keep predicting dry, right? That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.